Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I want to show you something pretty cool. We've got ourselves a star key set. This set is size T10 through T50. They're also the tamper set, so they have the little nub inside there, or the hole, for on the bolts that you're trying to remove. A lot of times they'll have a little stub that comes up. That's what that hole in there is for. It's called tamper, all right? So they kind of just make sure that you can get in there, you can get a secure grip on everything, and they won't strip out on you. It's a very nice set. If you need anything like this, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.